So now let's see how we can install Python on our Windows machine. For that, let's go to Google and type Python. Hit enter and the first website you will get is python.org. And let's go here and on this download section, here is the Windows part and here is the new latest Python 3.6.5. So let's click here and it will download the Python executable file. While it is downloading, let's open command prompt here, cmd, and here let's type Python. So you can see this is not recognized. So let's see how it's changed when we install it. So run it. Let's minimize that. The super important part of this installation is that you need to click here, add Python 3.62 path. Then you need to go to customize installation, or you can directly go to install. So let's go to install now. It doesn't matter, all things are same. And now it will install Python on our Windows machine. So now you can see the Python is successfully installed. Setup was successful. So close this and once more open command prompt. And here type Python. Hit enter. And you can see this time it's giving 3.6.5 version name. And here you can do cool things like simple printing hello and hit enter. Yeah, hello is here. You can simply use the additions. So 4 plus 6 is 10, and this is cool, but working on this command prompt is not so good. So the Python setup we have installed is giving us a simple IDE, and that IDE name is IDLE. So go to all programs, Python and IDLE, or you can just simply search. If you are on Windows 10, you can just search here IDLE and you will get this one. So click here and it will open directly on this. It's called a shell. So 3.6.5 shell, Python shell, and here you can do same thing like print. So printing what? Printing hello like this, and same 5 plus 9 is 14. Simple. But working on this shell or command prompt is not so good for a bigger program we will write later. So it will be good if you install a new IDE or an editor called type of things on your system. So the best one is Pycharm. So I will say Pycharm, hit enter, and Pycharm is designed by JetBeans. So JetBeans is giving us Pycharm and we just need to download it and then we can easily use it. So let's click here on this download now and it will download the executable setup file, and obviously we want community free version, not paid version. So download the community version and it will start the downloading process. Yeah, here it is. And now you can see Pycharm is downloaded. So let's open this and install it. So hit run and let's minimize this one. Click next and let's use 64-bit launcher and create associated.py and next, and everything is easy. And now Pycharm is also installed. So hit here, run and finish, and it will start the Pycharm for us. So I don't want to import anything, so hit OK. And now we need to select the theme, but I don't like this one. This is brightest one, so it will not feel cool. So this is cool. So feature plugins. So I don't want any kind of plugin for now. So start using Pycharm. This is super easy. And remember to install Pycharm after you install Python. So it is now done, and let's click on this create new project and it will create the project. But remember to check this thing that means the environment, and it must have base interpreter, and you need to give the executable Python file which is in your app data local program python 3632 python.exe. so this is very important, and I will name this one as first. So it is my first program for the Python. So let's create this one, and Pycharm is started, and so it's taking some time to create the environment. This is for the first time when you start. Later it will not do these kind of things. So let's just wait, and yes, it is done. So let's uncheck this, close it. So here you can see we have this folder called first, which is our project name we have given. So let's click here, and in this first folder you need to create a new file. So right click here and create new Python file, and I will call it main. You can call it anything you want, so not a fancy name. So click here on the OK, and here we have the first program we are going to write, which is again print. So I think I love print. So hello, this is good, but how we can run it? So to run it, you just need to right click here, or you just have to click here, run main. So it will run, and you can see in the console we are getting hello, super cool things. So now instead of this hello, I want to have again 6 plus 8, and what is the result? I don't know, my math is very weak. So 14 is there. Yeah, I got the math. So this is the way we will program in future on my Pycharm. So if you have installed it, that's good. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go and subscribe to Bitfumes, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the instant notification about the Python and all other things. And don't forget to like Bitfumes on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Share this video with your friends. So we will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.